Welcome everyone. Today, I'm going to share with you an interesting and real-life experience about marketing and visiting the market. Today's story is a little real, a little interesting, where our main character, Ramesh, goes to the market on a day of heavy flooding, how he goes, what he buys, and everything in detail. This morning was extremely intense. The sky was covered with dark clouds, and the rain had been pouring continuously throughout the day. Ramesh knew that if he didn't go to the market today, there would be nothing left to cook at home. So he bravely stepped out into the rainstorm. He wore plastic boots and carried a strong plastic bag to keep all the items dry. Some parts of the road were filled with water up to his knees, so Ramesh had to walk slowly and carefully. At times, water splashed on him, and at other moments, small streams of water blocked his path. When he reached the market, he saw that the entire place looked different. The shops were partially flooded, and people were struggling to move around. Some shops were closed, and a few had very few customers. Ramesh first went to buy vegetables. He got fresh greens-pointed gourd, bottle gourd, ridge gourd, and potatoes. Then he went to the grocery shop and bought rice, lentils, oil, sugar, and some spices. He also had brief conversations with the shopkeepers, who explained that due to the flooding, very few customers had come today. After finishing his shopping, Ramesh started his way back home, navigating small turns and wet roads with streams of water. Every moment his attention was on how to reach home safely. Finally, when he arrived home, seeing the joyful smiles on his family's faces, Ramesh realized that taking the risk today was completely worth it. This story teaches us that going to the market is not just about buying items. The real-life conditions of the market, the behavior of the shopkeepers, the attitude of the buyers, all of these are important aspects of marketing and business. When a person goes to the market, they are not just shopping, they are observing the market dynamics, the demand of the people, the supply, and the environment. Today's story teaches us that marketing is not just about selling, but about understanding, making decisions based on the situation, and managing risks. So friends, whenever you go to the market or make business decisions, remember analyzing the situation, patience, and making courageous decisions are the most important. That's all for today's story. We will meet again with another story and more real-life experiences.